Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to get Snapchat Planet Order 2023. So guys, this is very simple process. Everyone can do it very easily. So don't waste your time and let's get start the video. First we dive on Snapchat and go to the profile and click on Snapchat Plus and dab on three dots of top corner and dab on report purchase and wait and dab on contact support and you can see scroll down and dab on friend solar system and you can see Snapchat solar system is here. You can see now and dab on which planet each friend emoji and you can see Snapchat filter solar system emojis and I hope you like the video and this video is helpful for you. So guys, please subscribe my channel, like the video and leave the comment in below and don't forget to press bell icon and take care. Bye bye.